to, this is a list, right? So I have to create a list. How do you do it? So I have this list, or I can also, to simplify it, you can say state info. I can say state info. I can create a list out of it. So by adding all these things, and then I can append it. So this is I'm creating a one more list inside the list. So this is a list inside a list, right? This would be a list inside a list. So I have created a list inside a list. This is a list. Now this list I am going to append to this big list. Dot append. And then I will print once I come out of the loop, and then print Corona dashboard. So let me give it as one word. This is how you can create. Enter the number of states to capture. Let us say I want to capture for 2 states. Enter the state name, say Karnataka. You can see on the right hand side I'm entering the values. So total number of cases, just some numbers I'm putting, 10, 1 lakh. Okay, and then the active number of cases, say 20,000. And then recovered cases, say 70,000. And then death cases, say 10,000. Right now it is asking another state, say Tamil. Okay, number of cases, say 2 lakh. And then the active cases, say 40,000. And the recovered cases, let me say 1 lakh 40,000. And then the death cases, let me say 20,000. See, now I got a list inside a list. So this is how actually in real scenario when we are working on the programming. So this is how we will be having. I have a list inside a list. So now let me go to the variable explorer and I will show it. See here, Corona dashboard. If you double click on this, this is how we will get. You get a list inside a list. So what is the zeroth element in this list is the Karnataka state. What is the first element in this state in this list is the list of it is the number the records of the Tamil Nadu, right? Corona information of Tamil Nadu. So within this, I can look through, I can extract. Suppose now I want to total all the cases total I want to do. Then what I have to do? See, zeroth index is Karnataka. First index is like first index is this. So that is the total cases. Suppose I want to know the total of all those things. That means I have to look through this. When I look through, I will get a list. In that list, I have to extract the information of the first element. So zeroth element, first element. So first element. Then I have to add it. So that's how we can do it. So let us do that. So I wanted to get the maximum. I mean total cases. I want to get the total cases in this. So total number of cases for all the states, right?